In a bustling newsroom, journalist Sam was puzzled. Why do we keep getting stories about alien cats, Awa? He asked his editor, Jane. It's the new directive, Jane replied, winking. Operation Meow Bird. Sam chuckled. Is this a CIA thing? Jane nodded. Apparently, they think alien cats will distract everyone from real news. Sam laughed. So we're pawns in a feline conspiracy? Jane shrugged. At least it's perfectly entertaining. As Sam typed his next headline, Alien cats invade Earth, he mused. Well, at least it's not another dog story.